Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am actually coming to you to show you guys some hair that I just received from my Burmese curly vendor. Already kind of opened the box already, but I haven't taken anything out yet because I totally forgot that I needed to show you guys. Here is the FedEx box. I've been waiting for it for a little while. They actually shipped it pretty fast this time versus the last time where they held it in customs for like 10 days. So let me go through this really quickly. I have some itips in here that I want to show you guys and some bundles in here that I received. And I've ordered more, so I have more and more coming. I know everybody is like waiting for me to restock something on my website, which is taking a while because I've just been busy and trying to order stuff is a lot. So first thing that I want to show you guys, let's see, let me see where everything's at first. Move all this stuff out the way. Sorry, did I shake you guys? Got some lace closures, some itips, and some bundles. So a little bit of everything from my Burmese curly vendor. First thing I'm going to show you guys are the bundles that I love so much. This is 24 inches of Burmese curly. All right, so this is what it looks like straight out the pack. The Burmese curly, so beautiful. This is 2 bundles of Burmese curly here, 24 inches. So cute, so cute. All right, so that's that. This is 18 inches. Good. Straight out the pack, 18 inches. This is what it looks like. This is 2 bundles as well. Beautiful. I love it so much. All right. And I have some lace closures here as well. Let's see what we got. This one is a 18 inch and this one is a 20 inch. So let me just take them both out so you can see the difference. I only sell the lace closures in 5x5. I believe if you want to custom order something a different size, you definitely can. But I try to keep the 5x5 in stock on my website. So here is the 18 inch on this side and the 20 inch on this side. This one actually seems longer than 20. Yeah, it says 20 on the pack. So this is the 20, this is the 18. You can tell the curls are definitely a lot tighter in this one than this one here. Beautiful. Let me sit those down nicely. All right, so now I can show you guys the itips that I've been waiting to show you guys. All right, so these itips, let's see, this is 2, let me see what lengths I have. I have 28 inches. I have 26, 24, and 22. So I'm pretty sure all of these are not going to the same person, but you can definitely layer your itips if you feel like you need to. So this is Kinky curly itips this time, okay? So these are 28 inch Kinky curly itips. Beautiful. I don't want to mess with it too much because this is for a customer. All of my itips right now are by custom order. This is, let me show you guys this. Hopefully you guys can see it. I know it's so hard. The light is not exactly there, but there are the tips for these 2 bundles here, which are so beautiful. So beautiful. Kinky curly itips, 28 inches. All right, let me show you guys the 26. All right, this is the 26 inch Kinky curly here. So beautiful. There are the tips there. There we go. You guys can see them. Like I said before, there's different amount of tips come in every bundle because it's based on weight, not how many tips come inside of them. So the same number of tips are not going to come inside of a 12 and a 30 inches. It's just not going to happen. So this is the 26. All right, now the 24. 24-inch Kinky Curly here. This one is beautiful, actually. I wouldn't mind this length of Kinky Curly. The 28 is actually really nice, but this 24-inch is kind of a length I'm comfortable with for Kinky Curly. So beautiful. Kinky Curly eye tips. Very nice. All right, and last but not least, I wanted to go ahead and show you guys this 22 inches. All right, and that is a 22. So I don't want to mess with it too much, but it's pretty long when stretched out. And this is the 22 inches. All right, so I just wanted to come on here and show you guys the Kinky Curly bundles, because I know in my other video I showed you guys what the Burmese curly eye tips look like as well. So if I were you guys and I was getting 26, 28, 30 inches of eye tips, I would definitely try to do at least 3 bunches of hair. Now, it does depend on how much hair you're leaving out, how thick or thin your hair is, because that will determine also how many eye tips you need for your hair and whatever you're comfortable with. I always require a consultation. Like I always say, please come in for a consultation for your eye tips, because your hair may not be strong enough to hold the eye tips, depending on how much you guys put inside of the eye tip rings when you guys are putting them in. So definitely consult your hairstylist, whoever's going to be doing your hair, on how many eye tips they feel like you will need. And then based on that, we can get you guys some custom eye tips and get them ordered for you guys, okay? So don't hesitate to contact me. They are available for custom order on my website 24/7. You guys can definitely order from there as well. So if you are interested in some Kinky Curly, this is how the 22-inch looks. The 24, let's see, the 26, and then of course the 2 bundles of 28-inch. This is how they look. I do have some 16-inch Kinky Curly coming as well, so of course I'll come on here and show you guys, like I always do, all of the hair that I get in stock. I don't want anyone thinking that they're getting anything different than what I sell, okay? So those are my eye tips. I hope you guys loved them just like I do, and I will see you guys in my next video. Please comment below, and don't forget to subscribe if you've not already subscribed to my website. To my YouTube channel, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.